In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact report in Salesforce. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to leverage Salesforce's reporting features to track and manage contacts more effectively. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce Lightning account. Once you're logged in, head to the top corner of your screen where you'll find the Reports tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your Salesforce Reports homepage. Here is where you'll gain access to all the reporting power Salesforce has to offer. Once you're on the Reports homepage, look to the upper right corner and find the New Report button. Clicking this will open the Choose Report Type window, allowing you to specify what kind of report you'd like to create. This is a crucial step because it lays the foundation for the data you'll work with. Now in the search bar, type Contacts. You'll see several options pop up, like Contacts and Accounts or Contacts with Activities. Choose the one that best fits your needs based on the data you want to include in your report. Once you've made your selection, click Start Report. Next, let's head over to the Filters panel on the left side of the screen. Here, you can set your desired date range. For example, you might wish to view contact data from all time or limit it to the last 30 days, depending on your specific requirements. This step ensures you're focusing on the most relevant data for your report. You can refine your data even further by adding additional filters such as Account, Contact Owner, or any other relevant criteria that fits your needs. This step is all about tailoring your report to make it as useful and insightful as possible. Moving on, let's customize the report layout by going over to the Outline panel. Here, you'll have the opportunity to add or remove columns from your report. Consider including important fields like email, phone, and account name to better organize your data. These fields can provide essential details at a glance. For deeper insight, you can even group your data rows, for example, by account name. Grouping can give you a more structured view and make trend identification easier. After you've adjusted your report to perfection, it's time to take a look at it. Head to the upper right corner of the screen and click Run to preview your report. This gives you a chance to review everything and ensure accuracy before finalizing. If everything looks good, it's time to save your work. Click Save, then enter a report name that clearly identifies what your report is all about. You can also add a description to provide additional context for future users. Finally, decide where you'd like to save your report. You could choose a folder like Private Reports, or opt for a shared folder if you wish to make it accessible to others. After setting your location, click Save once more to store your report. And there you have it. You've successfully created a contact report in Salesforce. This comprehensive report will help you stay organized and on top of your contact management. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks.